Airbus A320 traffic selector knob. How is it actually replaced? In this video, you'll see the complete step-by-step process. From finding the correct part number using aircraft manuals, identifying the required tools, using special tools, to the final post-installation testing inside the cockpit. So watch the video till end and do share and subscribe.
We will be finding first all these details from our manual so that it is easier for the replacement. We'll find the concerned wiring manual, the fin, the replacement procedure, the part numbers and special tools, and the contacts detail. Okay, so let us go in our aircraft wiring manual. Our concern chapter is 34-43-09. So first we will find the fin number so that it is easier to find the part number from our manual. Okay. So this is our wiring manual. This is our traffic selector. The fin number is 105SG2. Okay, this is for first officer. It is having 8 terminals, 8 wires, which will be connected to 2104VT in different blocks, different contacts. Okay, so this asterisk without circle, this means that this wire has been marked with manufacturer, the vendor. The manufacturer is marking the wires on this, okay, not the Airbus. So we got this fin number. Okay, I'll just click on this fin number so that we can find the part number. So it is searching. Now it is giving me the fin number in our manual. So this is the IPC. Okay, and this is the part number for our selector, which is ABS 1650-02. Okay, 03 is the knob. We will see the detail, and what this is encoder optical. Okay, so I'll just come down. We will find the equipment list. I'll click on this. So this is the equipment list, and here you can see the part number, the same part number. Okay, now what I will do is I'll just click on this, and then I will click on ESPM. So it will find the same part number in our ESPM. I'll click on ESPM so that we know the replacement procedure. Okay, so here is the rotary switch. It has found the ESPM reference is 2045-23-01. Okay, so this is the reference. And this is our part number 1650. So I will just come down 1650. It is over here. Okay, bravo. And this is the part number. So it will give me more detail about the switch. So here you can see the switch is coming already with the terminals inside. Okay, it is sealed. It is coming with the wires, the 8 wires, and it will be identified on this covers. Okay, and it is 02. The 03 is the knob as well as the pin. Okay, this is the pin spring, and this is the knob, the part number, which is 03. So I will just come out. I'll show you again. Here you can see 01 is the whole assembly, 02 is the optical encoder, which is the switch, and 03 is control knob and the pin spring. So if you want to order the whole assembly, you can order 01, not 02. Got over here is our wiring manual, our fin, and our ESPM. We also got the part numbers. Okay, now let us see what special tool is needed for this replacement and also the contacts. So I'll go back to our ESPM, our reference, we got it. Here you can see we can go in each detail. Now here you can see first we will see the extraction. Okay, so it needs a plier and it needs a pin, the extraction tip and the insertion tip. Okay, so here you can see first we'll do extraction. So the tool part number is RA153002 and the extraction tip is 004, insertion tip is 003. Okay, so let me just show you the figure and then we will see the original, the actual tool. So this is the tool and this is the extraction. Okay, so on this tool we will put this extraction pin, and then we will place the knob over here and we'll push the pin so that we'll push it so that the spring comes out from the other way. And then you can same way you can see the installation procedure. So this is our switch, this is our tool, this is insertion tool. We have to put the pin in this insertion tip and then we have to insert it. We have to push it in the hole or for the knob. Here you can see this is the pin, this is the knob, and it is pushing it inside once the switch is in position on the panel. We'll see it in our video. So here we got the part number for the plier, part number for the extraction tip, and part number for the insertion tip. Okay, the tips are already included in this part number 002. No need to order it separately. So this is a special tool what we need. And here you can see the torque value for installation of the switch, which is this one. Okay, 15 inch-pound nominal. So this is the detail. You can give this reference for the replacement of the switch. You can see in the wiring diagram, all these wires are going in this terminal. This is a VT. Okay, so terminal block. So this has to be we have to install the contacts over here, the particular contacts, and then we have to insert it in this VT. So before that, first we have to do extraction, and then we have to crimp it. The new wires will not come with the crimped pin, so we have to crimp it, and then we have to insert it during installation. So let us come to our search page. Here you can see I went in IPC, I went in equipment list for the part number. Now all these other things is the wire number which is originating from this particular switch. So I will just click on whiskey 1. Okay, you can see in the diagram it is from 1 to 8. So I'll just click any one of them, and since all the wires are going in the same VT, the terminal block, so the part number for the, and even the wire gauge is same, so the part number for all these contacts will be same. Okay, so I will just click on any one of them, and here you can see this is the wire number. Okay, whiskey 1, the type is Yankee Yankee, gauge is 24. Okay, on this terminal A, which is our switch 105 SG2. Okay, this ALC means it is already connected from the vendor, from the manufacturer. Okay, so inside they will not give the detail, it is already coming sealed. Now this side it is going in this 2104 VT2. The contact number is Juliet, you can confirm it. Okay, number 1 is going to the Juliet of 2. Okay, this VT block 2 of Juliet. Now here you can see the part number for our contact. Okay, so I got the part number. Now we have to find the detail what is needed, the extractor, the inserter, the crimping tool, the stripper tool, and other details. So I'll just click on this and I'll search in ESPM. Okay, we'll get this in ESPM. Now this will give me all the detail of 155. I'll just add a little more, which is 016. So it is easier to get all the details. So I'll click on the first, which is miscellaneous normal contact. Okay, so our ESPM reference is this 204825-01, and our contact is 016 because there are many 155-016, 1525. Okay, so I just narrowed the filter, and I will go down to get more details about this contact. So here is our contact procedure for this particular contact. So this is giving me the insertion extraction tool. I'll click on this. I don't want this one. I'll go on next page. And here you can see the part number for our extractor and inserter. So our part number is 20-18. So this is our inserter and extractor. Okay, for removal and installation. I got this one. I'll come down. Now insertion tool we got, sealing we don't need, cable stripping, I'll click on this and you can get the part number for the stripping the cable. Okay, so our is 2018, our size is 20, and then this is the strip master. Part number for the stripping tool is this, which will be coming in blue handle. Okay, so I got the part number for stripping tool. I'll come down more. Now this is crimping procedure and the tool required. Okay, so I'll click on this, I'll make it big, and then we'll search for our part number. So our is mic 2018. Okay, and our gauge is 24. Let us just confirm it. Our gauge is 24. Okay, so 24 single wire. So this three is the part number for the tool, and these are the positioner, the turret, and the setting. So I'll just take any one of them. In our case we took this one, 520-7-01. The turret head, the positioner is 7-04, and the setting will be number 4. Okay, so we got this detail, the crimping tool and all. So I will just fill this form. Yeah, so we got all this detail. Okay, so now let us see the actual video how we'll be doing it. Okay. You taking? Okay. Okay, so we have this two. Okay, the part number is this, and we have the part number is this one. Okay, so let's as per four.
हाँ